We got mom over here, Nurse Pam. Slice my hand open right before the hiking trip for the day. Probably needed stitches, but we gonna live without it. You know what I'm saying? We gonna live without it.
He did good. He's okay.
Yeah. Well, we'll tune back in. We're about to get the bags packed up.
I lost my job last night. Picked up my paycheck, but 35% of it gone already, cause Uncle Sam didn't get paid yet. Mom and them bitching about this rent, I ain't even gon' say shit. And half of what is left goes to her, cause I ain't use that latex, damn. Cheese sandwich and chips, Slim just spilled his drink in my Toyota 96. Well, at least that blunt is lit.
Little pit stop at the gas station. What's up, Bubba? What's up, Bubba? Got my boy Al.
All my dreamers, put your hands in the sky. All my dreamers, put your hands in the sky. One time for the bullshit that you came from, worked hard to get away from, but the devil's there.
What up, O? What up, O?
Aren't doing much now since little brother got locked up, and I'm stuck smoking this mid, waiting for the weed man to get stocked up. And my girl canceled on me, said something else popped up, and I can't get with my ex now cause her ring finger all rocked up. Dang. No one likes you when you're 23 without a plan. Sit around in apartments all day smoking weed, and I'm like, bitch, don't kill my vibe. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. Till I spill out in my Subaru, and in the rear view is some lights. Red, white, blue, same color as our flag. The ones that they say salute.
All right, well, road was closed at where we thought we were going. Drove down the road a little bit, found a good spot. Loafy.
Oh.
Where are we?
We're here. We want to go to this.
Yeah.
So we don't see that on here. It says from here, like, to the Blue Ridge Parkway is only 3 Archstone Bridge. Oh, you have to drive.
Crush a lick and split it, light it blazer. From the mind of a stoner, from the mind of a stoner. Simple thoughts from a loner, simple thoughts from a loner. Just the mind of a stoner, from the mind of a stoner. Simple thoughts from a loner, simple thoughts from a loner. Rolling up this weed, simple thoughts from a loner. Thinking about life, and you know what? I'm good. Yeah.
Spot up there, bro.
Took some rocks.
Shit is fire, yo. Too tough.
Oh wait, there's a 3-arch bridge, is it not?
Yeah. Maybe that's only got 2 arches though, but.
Hey, stop.
Hit me. I'm still whiz. Niggas got me in that mood. How they hating when they know that I'm that dude? I hear they hating cause they know I got the juice. They like, oh, they watching how I move. Motherfuckers, they be acting like we cool. Fuck you thought this was, nigga, I ain't no fool. Gas in my joint, what you smoking, don't flatter me. My niggas got my back, ain't no need for a battery. Blowing all these ones, look like we hit the lottery. My OG just hit me up.
That's a big jump, boy.
You ain't gonna be able to get back up. I don't see no place for you to get back up. Oh, there's no way for you to get back up, though.
I don't know, what do we do from here?
Huh?
What do we do from here?
Diamonds dripping like a faucet. Big bag, I want a big bag. If it ain't getting money, you can skip that. Big bag, I want a big bag. Put you in a 2-seater, let you kick back. I'm still whiz. Niggas got me in that mood. How How they hating when they know that I'm that dude? I hear they hating cause they know I got the juice. Yeah. They like, ooh, they watching how I move. Whoa. We found
What if that's a freaking clue or something?
Alan Garner. Stroud
Is that
Loper.
spelled how Alan says?
Yo, it's a code.
It's spelled just like how he spells his name.
Open it up. It's a code, son. Oh my God. We just found the code.
Works.
Let's get to digging right here.
1,000.
We'll see. We'll see where Alan leads us.
Walking with her dog.
Smoking weed by the zip, millions I done made a few. State to stay, I'm stacking up and staying out the way. Big bag, I want a big bag. If it ain't getting money, you can skip that. Big bag, I want a big bag. Put you in a Rolls Royce, let you kick back. I'm still whiz, niggas got me in that mood. How they hating when they know that I'm that dude? I hear they hating cause they know I got the juice. They like, ooh, they watching how I move. Motherfuckers, they be acting like we cool. Fuck you thought this was, nigga, I ain't no fool. I'm still whiz.
Is this thing on? Word.
So what, we get drunk. So what, we smoke weed. We're just having fun. We don't care who sees. So what, we go out.
Hey, let me get a lighter,
That's how it's
please.
supposed to be.
Cause you know I'm high as fuck and I forgot one. Keep that in there. So what? I keep them rolled up, sagging my pants, not caring what I show. Keep it real with my niggas, keep it playing for these hoes. It look clean, don't it? Washed it the other day, watch how you lean on it. Keep me some 501 jeans on and roll joints bigger than King Kong's fingers. And smoke them hoes down to they stingers. You a class clown, and if I skip for the damn with your bitch smoking gray.
They got this trail closed off. Look, look, that's what we say, Opie. Hey, Opie told us to go. Fuck it. Hit him with the Jordan.
That's how it's supposed to be. Living young and wild and free.
Yeah, you know what? It's like I'm 17 again, peach fuzz on my face. Looking on the case, trying to find a hella taste. Oh my God, I'm on the chase. Chevy, it's getting kinda heavy. Irrelevant, selling it, dipping away. Time keeps slipping away. Zipping the safe, flipping for pay. Tipping like I'm dripping in paint. Up front, 4 blunts like Khalifa, put the wheat in the J. Hey.
So what, we smoke weed. We're just having fun. We don't care who sees. So what, we go out. That's how it's supposed to be. Living young and wild and free.
Yeah, roll one, smoke one. When you live like this, you're supposed to party. Roll one, smoke one. And we all just having fun, so we just roll one, smoke one. When you live like this, you're supposed to party. Roll one, smoke one, and we all just having fun.
So what, we get drunk. So what, we...
They trying to block the roads off, man. This is what we came to see, was the Linville Falls. Stay up this way. You'll see here in a minute. Fire view right here, Al.
Look at this, man. Look at this, God's country, man.
Hey,
Blessed and thankful.
blessed and thankful, man. Well, you gonna see up here, man, they got the road blocked off.
We don't care who sees.
We don't care who sees.
So what, we go out. That's how it's supposed to be. Living young and wild and free.
We got a park ranger over here. Come on, Al. Park ranger behind Abby over there. It's the park, yeah, but we're gonna be all right. We're just gonna act like we never saw him. We gonna act like we never saw him.
Yeah, buddy. I got a cold and all that shit. Show y'all how hard I work. I really go in, man. It's from the heart, it's from the soul. Still having fun too, though, man. It's gonna be a real big year. You watch. I'm telling you.
They say the game done changed, there's just some new players in it, and they don't wanna see.
Yeah, car's right over here underneath us. Right underneath. Get out of there, boy.
I stay on my grind, trying to stop my shine.
I started off just a fan, writing like every other kid. Grew up to be the man, paying bills at my mother's crib. Every day I'm hustling to get us out this situation. Gotta deal with phony shows, goofy hoes, and niggas hating. Mostly all embrace a small percentage of my city races.
Yeah, we're gonna go for the plunge basin. We're right here. Well, yeah, difficult trail, hardest one. We're gonna take the step right up here.
Start pink and then go red, or am I tripping? Is that all pink?
It's all red.
All red. Wow.
Yeah.
When we going through depression and our brother O's gone, was told you gotta go through hell to get the big thing. And when you feel it can't get worse, that's when shit changed. Obama president, the Steelers won the 6th ring. So I ain't through trying, I feel like I can do
They say
anything.
the game done changed, there's just some new players in it.
Yo. Oh my God. Wow, yo.
I stay on my grind, trying to stop my shine. I better be never. Started small time, now we major. We done made it to the top floor from the basement. We done made it to the top floor from the basement. We done made it to the top floor from the basement.
Yeah, big city, small town. Cause when your money's up, that's when they all round. But the minute that you slip, they dip. And it's no one to depend on when the chips fall down. Me, I never cut a corner short, I follow protocol. Got my focus on, took my notes and all this hard work gon' pay off. The second that I'm rich, I'll take a day off.
They say the game done changed, there's just some new players in it, and they don't wanna see my team get up there and win it. Try to keep me still, look where I'm at now. I made it too far to look back down, but I ain't never ever gonna forget what I've been told, and I ain't never ever going back to being broke. Cause if I stay on my grind, trying to stop my shine, I will be never, ever. Yeah, if you out there on your grind, put your hand up in the sky, so we grindin', come on. If you got it, but you tryna get some more, tell them boys that we're climbing. That's for my people.
Been real out here. Thank you, Linville, for the dope experience. We'll be back.
They say the game done changed, there's just some new players in it, and they don't wanna see my team get up there and win it. Try to keep me still, look where I'm at now. I made it too far to look back down, but I ain't never ever gonna forget what I've been told, and I ain't never ever going back to being broke.
Hey, it's been real, Linville. It's been real, Linville. We made it out, y'all. Even the straggler Abby back there made it out. Oh, looks like the park ranger. Yeah, park ranger's still over there in their little hut. Never came and bothered us one time.
And they say all I rap about's bitches and champagne. You would too if every night you seen the same thing. Money wall to wall, young famous nigga. Spend it all, when you die you can't take it with you. Bottle of rosé if I'm drinking with ya. Cause most niggas broke, they bank is injured. Them bitches gon' ride with who they think's a winner. And I'll be smiling in case they take a picture. I'm smoking weed, drinking liquor, make 100 off the show and spend it all on my niggas. When I go shopping, I tell them pick one. Cause they was with me when nobody seen the vision. Always about my business, don't play the cards, I talk to the niggas who deal them. Girl flush, now look up them niggas and baby girl, you'll see us, yeah.
I'm gonna spend it all while wait for another day. I'ma take all this money I owe and blow it all away. Cause I can't take it when I'm gone. No, I can't take it when I'm gone. I'm gonna spend it all while wait for another day. I'ma take all this money I owe and blow it all away. Cause I can't take it when I'm gone. No, I can't take it when I'm gone. No, I can't take it when I'm gone.
Pile of hoes in my car, they wanna feel it at maximum speed, never have an absence of weed. Tired of being at the bar, everything Louis V, plus the most exclusive tree in my jar. Making my bank, spending it all, and that expensive shit you paid for, she had it on, she taking it off. Most of these niggas just talk, ain't caking it off. Back in the day money was short, I'm making it taller. You know what I mean? Some say it's a problem, blowing my greens, not saving my collards. No NBA, they say I'm a baller, live for the day, stunned like my father.
Wait for another day.
Yeah.
I'ma take all this money I owe